Hi guys, thanks for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on using peach and coral colours just in time for the spring. I've been dying to get some warm weather over where we are because this has been freezing cold for weeks and weeks, and we've had snow, everything, you name it, we've had it. So I was tired of, like, you know, not doing any colourful bold looks, and today I've done this look using some new products which I've never used before, and I'm really pleased at how they turned out. So if you want to know how I achieved this look today, then please keep watching. It's going to be part voiceover and partly me talking you through some of it. It's a little bit of a mixture today. I hope it comes out okay. So if you don't already know what to do, please give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all the recent support that I've been getting lately. I always want to mention a big thank you to people. I'm going to zoom in and show you this look I've created. So basically I have used colours I've never tried before, and I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. It is you'll find out what the product was, but wow, I didn't even think that I could pull this off, but I think I can pull it off. If you like the look of this look, then please keep watching and I will show you how I managed to get there. So I'm just gonna start using this little sample primer I got from YSL. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's a blurring one. You know, I'm looking for a blurring primer, but it's supposed to be hide your pores and give you also a slight glow. It's a very popular primer. I've used it once so far and it seems quite decent. You have to bear with me with the lighting. It's a little bit in and out with the sun at the moment. So I'm just going to prime my face. I've already moisturised, and like I said, I have not used this primer before, and I will zoom you in when I come to do my eye makeup. If anyone's tried this primer, then let me know. Tell me what your thoughts are on it. So we're going for a peach soft spring look. And this primer does feel really good. So I'm going to be mixing in. I've only just purchased this Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I know it's been mentioned 1,000 million times, probably a couple of years ago, but I've only just got it. So, and I've used it twice and I'm already in love. It's so nice. It's so natural looking, and I can see why people would perhaps opt to use this for their wedding day, because it just makes your skin look really nice. I would recommend this as an everyday foundation. I'm not sure about, I don't think I would wear this on a night out, but it's a gorgeous everyday foundation, or if you just want your makeup to look really natural. I've not tried building up the coverage, but I'm going to mix it in with my Hourglass today because I think it's also slightly light. The colour I got was Y325, which is Flesh. So let's see how this goes. I do like the foundation a lot. I want to use more of this than the Hourglass. I'm going to use the Hourglass just to give me slightly more coverage, because I know this is like a medium coverage. I would say sheer to medium, to be honest. I did my first live the other day. What a joke that was. That was just a nightmare. I don't think I'll be doing any more lives, to be honest. I find them very hard. I feel really vulnerable, on edge. I feel like you have to keep the momentum going, the conversation going, and I don't have time to do lives. It's just too much, so I might just stop with the lives. Right, let's buff this in and see how we go. Yeah, I am liking that. Taking it out towards the outer perimeters of my face. That's what I've been learning to do lately. I'm just going to go ahead and start contouring with my Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. This is in the colour 2.2. The foundation, unfortunately, is way off on me. It's way too dark. But the contour side is fine, and I've been using it for a good while now. I do love doing a cream contour now. It's my favourite way of contouring. So I've literally blended all the contouring in almost. And I like to use a different brush to do the jawline. I'm so unprepared. I like to use one of these artiste brushes. This is not a brand name one. I just picked this up from Amazon and it does the job. And what's really sad though, when you try and contour your jawline, it's like when you have a double chin and excess skin, it's not very flattering. The contouring is finished. So with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, which I need to use more often, I'm going to use the light powders to highlight and just go over underneath and just make sure that's more defined. And I'm using an e.l.f. This is a highlighting brush, but I find it really good for powder as well. So just, I haven't even concealed yet. So I'm starting to use the True Match L'Oreal concealer in the shade Vanilla. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. And then I'm just going to go in with some Tarte Shape Tape to brighten up the concealer because it's not as bright as I'd like it to be. And me using the Shape Tape this way, at least then I get to use the product, because on its own it just doesn't work for me. So I'm just blending that in, and then I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette again, just to set the under eye area with the e.l.f. brush. And then I'm going to bronze up using the Kat Von D again, just to bronze it up, and I am looking extra bronzy today. Right, now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I don't do too much to my brows. I've just had them shaped and tinted. And then I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer, just to get the base ready for the eyeshadow. Right, so I'm going to be using my Perfect One eyeshadow palette, which is my Z palette. I call it my Perfect One. I'm going to start with Latte in Makeup Geek for the first colour on the eye. No, that's going to be fine. So Makeup Geek Latte is the first colour. I'm going to try and focus on the outside and not go in on the inner corner so much. And then with a smaller brush, I'm taking Frappe from Makeup Geek, which is this colour here. That's my favourite domed brush by Precision Beauty. I've never heard of this brand. It's just a brush I picked up from TJ Maxx, or TK Maxx if we're in the UK. Hope someone's watching me from the UK. Have I got any UK in the house? Let's take it slightly on the outside. I'm going to have to switch palettes. I'm going to switch it up a little bit and try and make it a little bit more peachy in the crease area. So today I'm going to be trying out this new L'Oreal paint in the colour Sunset Goals. It's not the perfect peach I'm looking for. I'm actually waiting on the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. I know it's been out for a long time. So I'm going to be using this L'Oreal paint, and I'll do a quick swatch for you so you know how the colour's going to be on the on the eye. So it's a very bright orange coral. I'm hoping this is going to look good. I have no clue whether this is going to go on me. I don't know. We will see. I'll see how it goes using the applicator first, and if not, I'll have to use a brush to make it look a lot more neater. So we'll see how it goes. Well, I think I'm going to like it, so. The applicator seems decent enough. And I'm going all over the lid. And I always find, I like that, that's nice. Very different. I might give it a second coat, and you might have to set it as well. And I think when I finish this eye, I'm going to do the other eye off camera, I'm afraid. But at least you'll get the idea of how I did it with one eye. And what I'll do, I'm gonna lightly go over it with a brush because it's making a mess. It's transferring and it takes so long to dry. So I'm just blending it out here before it makes an even bigger mess. And I'll use my, I think it's called Bouquet Toss by Colourpop, which is a peachy pink. See how that looks here? Just to make it more peach in the corner. Just yeah, that's a very nice peachy colour. And for inside the waterline, I'm just going to use this black LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. It's very soft. Then do underneath. Just on. I'm not going to bother curling my lashes because I'm going to stick some lashes on. So what I will do, I won't even do the mascara yet. I'm going to finish the other eye off camera real quick, and then I'll come back and start on finishing off my face. That's a good mascara. I'm still going to stick on some lashes today. Don't care. Let me stick on the lashes off camera. I'll be back in a second. Right, I've stuck on some lashes. The lashes were just some I purchased from eBay. I'm just new at exploring into the world of lashes, so I don't want to invest too much money in them if I don't get on with them. But I am loving the lashes. I'm loving these lashes. I wouldn't personally wear these on a daily basis or in the daytime. I'll probably wear these for going out, but I'm doing it for this video purpose only. Right, for blusher, I'm going to try my new L'Oreal Life's a Peach palette. This just got released recently, and we're going to be keeping in with the peach theme. Let's see how this looks on the cheek. Did anything come out? Very, very lightly. I don't like too much anyway for blusher. I'm using a stipple brush, which is my favourite way to apply blushes. Right, so for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Topshop highlighter. It's in the name Crescent Moon, and it's quite a, I think this would be the colour that I'm going to go for. I'm going to spray my face with some Glow Setter by Glam Glow, just to prep. I do love the smell of this. And yes, I do go overboard when spraying my face, probably too much. Powders just dry my skin out, so I have to be really careful when I apply quite a few layers of powder. So I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush and just use this peachy highlighter, which is doing a great job. Yeah, that's cute. Oh, I'm definitely glowy. Some on the nose. If you've not heard of these highlighters, they're really decent. So decent. Topshop highlighter. I'm going to use my Max Factor Elixir again to quickly line my lips. My battery's going to run out. I know it's going to run out soon. And then quickly use my new L'Oreal Rishi, I think it's called, Rishi formula for like a high shine lipstick. And this is in the colour 642. This is brand new, so hopefully it'll be a nice colour. It's so nice on the lips. That is really, really moisturising on the lips, and it's a great nude, but it's not the peach I want. I'm going to go over this with the Model Zone, no, not Model Zone, Ink Credible, called Never Peachless. So this should be ideal just to go over this. Nice peachy colour. There. Now I have the peach colour I was looking for a lipstick. And that is it. I'll be back in a second with my hair done and just to say goodbye. Okay guys, I'm back now, finally finished. Anyone with long hair will understand the stress long hair comes with, because you don't know what to do with it unless you're a really good hairstylist. I am so bad when it comes to my hair. I've just tried to stick it up in the best way possible, and this is what I ended up with, and I'm just going to leave it like that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick springtime coral look, coral peachy look. I really enjoyed doing it, and I think the colours are amazing. I've never worn this colour before on my eyes, and I'm really, really digging it. I like that a lot. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back soon with another video.